Ever get lost trying to follow a single row across a massive Excel spreadsheet? I'm going to show you how to highlight the active row in Excel so you never lose your place again. Let's get started. First, select the entire data range in your spreadsheet where you want the highlighting to apply. Don't include the column headers if you don't want them highlighted. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and find Conditional Formatting. Click the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select New Rule. This will open the New Formatting Rule window. In the New Formatting Rule window, choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. This is where we'll enter the magic formula. Now, in the formula bar, type in the formula equals CLL, open parenthesis, quotation mark, raw quotation mark, close parenthesis, equals row, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. This formula checks if the current cell's row number matches the active row. Click the Format button to choose how you want the active row to be highlighted. In the Format Cells window, go to the Fill tab and select a color you want to use for highlighting. A light color usually works best. Once you've chosen your color, click OK. Back in the New Formatting Rule window, you'll see a preview of your chosen format. If it looks good, click OK again. And that's it. Now, the active row in your Excel spreadsheet will automatically be highlighted as you move around. This is a super simple way to improve readability, especially when working with large amounts of data.